Hello, ma'am. Like I'm waiting for another student to join. We'll start the session in another 5 to 10 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. How many kids are there, ma'am?
Another two students had to join, ma'am. So I'm waiting for them.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah.
Meanwhile, if you are free, can you please download the Buttonbut tutorials app from the Play Store, ma'am? Hello? Can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah. I have to download it from the Play Store, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Like you can just press the Buttonbut tutorials in search. You will get a.
Okay, ma'am.
Or please wait, I'll share the link in the chat section. You can just click on that one. Just 2 minutes, ma'am. I'll share.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
I have shared it in the WhatsApp group. Can you please check it once? Hello? Ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Yeah, ma'am. I'll check it now, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have to click on that link, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Click on the link.
right now.
Yeah, ma'am. It will be better. Like directly it will go to Play Store and install the app.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. ಬಂಗಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I open it? It is installed now.
Oh, yeah, you can open, ma'am.
Oh. Yeah. To continue, please verify your profile. Send message to sign.
Can you please let me know what it is showing? Like you have to enter the batch code.
Ma'am, we may know your name before you continue.
You enter the student name and just enter the student name and log in as a student only, not as a parent.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, they're asking you on the email ID, ma'am. Can I give my email ID?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಕೋಸೆ. Want to sign in as a parent. Ma'am?
Ma'am,
Hello.
tell
Ma'am,
me.
it is asking want to sign in as a parent.
Sign in as a student. You just disable that one. Want to sign in as a, you're supposed to tick over there, right?
No, ma'am. It is in case you're joining to study yourself. I have disabled, ma'am.
Yeah. Then proceed, ma'am.
Let's get started.
Huh.
What are you preparing for, ma'am? All categories, bank
So
exams.
down, you will be having a batches. Down the screen, you will be having a one tab. Like there, you will have a batches.
Ma'am, it is showing up till pre-medical NEET AIMS exam.
Ma'am, downside, full downside, down the screen, almost like where you will have your main menu buttons. No, there you will have a like batches. Home.
Ma'am, it is not showing up till there. It is showing up till only pre-medical NEET exams and it is not going down from there.
You have to scroll.
I'm scrolling it, ma'am, but it is not going.
Are you able to see anywhere else batches?
Only it is showing. It is asking lastly, save and continue.
Huh.
School academics, can I click, ma'am?
No, just batches you just click. School academics only.
Huh.
Once you enter there, you will get a batches.
School academics. Yeah, batches is there, ma'am.
There, if you click, like there is any add symbol over there. Like bottom of the screen, right side bottom of the screen. Any add like that, add batches or enter batch request.
Ma'am, there is a plus mark over there.
Click on that one.
Okay. Batch code.
A batch code is already there in the message only. I'll read it out.
Okay, ma'am.
Batch code is all in the small letters only. SFO.
SFO.
2N.
2N.
PEU.
PEU.
5.
5?
5.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I should write down this or what, ma'am?
No need, ma'am. Just to enter into the batch, this is much needed.
Then I click. Can I click it on OK, ma'am? No.
Click. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is showing success, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, I'll add your number to the batch now. Adya PKM, right?
Yes, ma'am. Adya PKM.
So now the number is added to the batch.
Okay, ma'am.
And with this, I'll be starting. Just give me 5 minutes, ma'am. I'll just go with one more student has joined. This is the you can just glance over there. Once this session started, I'll just give introduction, everything about that, what all will be there in the app. This is the new batch we created just now, and I have added your number. Just 2 minutes. We'll let you know what all will be there, how to access this one. Just 2 minutes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. Ma'am, please rename with the student name, ma'am.
You're telling me, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Adya, right? Student name?
Yeah, Adya PKM.
Adya. Okay. I'll rename here in the Zoom. Yeah. The other students, can you please, Tamman, can you please switch on your video? Hello?
Speaker on madam. Yes, ma'am, Anna.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Hi, this is Madhuri here. Welcome to Button But Tutorials. Can I know who is Bhagya? Can you please switch on your video? Is Bhagya student name? Yeah, please rename with the student name.
అవును
At least let me know what is the, can you please name yourself?
ఇది ಇನ್ನೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ
Um,
ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ ಏನಪ್ಪ Mute ಮಾಡಿ.
ma'am, unmute yourself, ma'am, please. Yes. Can I have the student name, please?
Nandana case.
1 minute, I'll rename. Is this correct?
Nandana case. Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Actually, I'm just talking about the Buttonbut tutorials app. I'll share the link in the, I have shared already in the link, in the app only WhatsApp group. Please click on the link and install the app.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
ma'am, spelling of Adya is AADYA, ma'am. There's you have added H over there.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
check
One
out
minute.
that, ma'am.
Can you please tell once again?
Double A,
Double D Y A.
AADYA. No, there's no H in between.
Yeah. I hope both the Taman and Nandan, both you have installed the app. Please let me know if you are facing any difficulties over there.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ನೀನ್ ಮಾತಾಡು ಅವಳೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್
If it is done, if you are facing any issue, please let me know. I'll guide you. If not, I'll continue with the things. Students, please answer whatever I am asking.
Ma'am, I pressed the link, but not working.
Okay, do one thing. Go to Play Store. There you search, like you have phone, right? You have
Installed in my new ma'am ಈಗ Zoom app.
not in Zoom app, ma'am. You have the mobile, right? In
Yes.
mobile, I'm telling, we have the Buttonbut tutorials app. There you have to install that one.
Okay.
Please take out your mobile, go to the Play Store, search for Buttonbut tutorials. Otherwise, go to your WhatsApp section, click on the link whatever I have provided from the mobile and install the app. Not in the laptop. I'm just saying it through mobile you have to install the app. Afterwards, I'll let you know how to use in the laptop.
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡು Yes, ma'am. It is coming as a Buttonbut tutorials, and you have
Please
yeah.
log in as a student only, not as a parent. Log in as a student with the
I
student
have logged as Taman only by his name.
name. And you will get an option to log in as a parent or log in as a student. Please log in with the student only.
But it's not coming anything like that. I have just gone to Play Store and Buttonbut I have clicked it. There was some name was there earlier. My daughter name.
I think Dimpana name was there, I think.
I was just changed by name Taman. That's it.
Yeah, fine. No problem.
Now it is showing
But
Buttonbut.
the batch
main
will be different, sir. You have to request for that batch access.
batch where it is actually.
Down bottom of the screen, there is a plus symbol. Click on that.
What is your student to have to say or something? Okay, batches. Okay.
Add one more batch, sir. Like you will have a plus option there. You have to
Okay.
click on that.
Okay.
It
Batch.
will ask you for the batch code.
Yeah. Enter batch code.
I will dictate the batch code. Please enter that one. SFO, all small letters only.
All small letters. Yes. CFO.
2N.
2. Numerical 2.
Yes, sir. 2
Hmm.
N.
N again small n. Okay.
Yes. T
T
E
E
U
U.
and numerical 5.
Numerical 5. SFO 2 N T E U 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shall I click as okay?
Yes.
Okay. Invalid batch code it is showing.
Wait, I'll just share it in the Zoom. I think it is there already in the WhatsApp. You can just check in the chat section. SFO 2NPEU 5. Nandan, how about you? Have you installed in the mobile? Nandan Mother, can you please reply?
Yes, loaded, ma'am.
Loaded, ma'am. Can you please? It's done.
Oh,
Open.
that is 1 minute, ma'am. I'll just type it once. Okay. Yes. Yep.
Yes, Nandan Mother, can you please continue? Sir doing that one, and sir knows already. Tell me, ma'am.
Login with WhatsApp, huh?
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Login with WhatsApp.
No, you just take your mobile, go to the Play Store. What it is showing over there?
Login with WhatsApp.
Yeah, log in with WhatsApp. You just click.
Yes. Back go, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Have you installed the that is what Buttonbut Tutorials app?
Yes.
What it is showing over there?
ಅದೇ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್
ಲಾಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಅಂತ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಂತು.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಫೈನ್. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟನ್ಬಟ್ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಲೋಗೋ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಪ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತೆ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ invalid batch code at the bottom. 1 minute. I'll just showing my lab WhatsApp. Yes, it is coming like this, you know. So it was showing success, and again at the bottom, you know, invalid batch code.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸತ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು.
No, I am doing it from my mobile.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಯಾವ್ದು 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಸರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಡಿಂಪನ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
No, it will change it by Taman.
Yeah, I'll change. From our end, we'll change it out.
So next, what I have to do on this?
Like I'll just go on giving the introduction about this one. Once Nandan parent install ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ನಿಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಬೇಡ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯೂಸ್ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕೋದಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ OTP ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಹಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ OTP 26 ಎಲ್ಲೋಯ್ತು 2658 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ORG ಕೋಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅದೇನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ನೇಮ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ EG ಹರ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸವ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ
ಹರ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸವ್ ಅಂತಿದೆನಾ?
ಹ್ಮ್
ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ
Ma'am, you
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ
have to click on that. You tell her to click on that.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
If we start typing that, Harsha Srivatsa will go.
ನೀವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನೀವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ನೀವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್
Okay.
ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದು
Type ಮಾಡಿ
ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ.
Srivatsa ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ ನೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್
ಹಾಕಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ
ನಂದನ್ KS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ
ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ?
ಕೆಳಗಡೆನು ಮತ್ತೆ EG ಹರ್ಷ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್
We have to enter email ID.
ಇಮೇಲ್ ID ಅಂತ
Type
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಮಾಡಿ. Email ID type ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇಮೇಲ್ ID ಇದೆನಾ?
ಹಾ
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್
ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಸೇವ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಿದೆ
ಸೇವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸೇವ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂನಾ ಹಾ ಈಗ ಬಂತು ಬಟ್
ಆಯ್ತು ಬಂತಲ್ವಾ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ,
ಈಗ-
ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ದು. ಇದನ್ನ
ಕೆಳಗೆ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇದ
ಹೇಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯೂ ಇದಿದೆ ಆಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೋರು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್
ಇದೆನಾ?
ಹಾ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಇದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ವ್ಯೂ ಬಂತು ನೋ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಈಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆನಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ
ನಾ ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದ್ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ, SFO2NPEU5.
ತಡೀರಿ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಝೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ
ಸೊ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದೀನಿ.
ಕೆಳಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದರಲ್ದಾನೆ
ಹಾ
ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಂತೆ, ನೀವ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಂತೆ, ನೀವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹೌದು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. SFO.
ಹಂಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ?
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ
SF.
ಹಾ ಎಫ್
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಡೀರಿ.
ಹಾ.
ಎಫ್ ಓ
2.
ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದು.
2
N. N for Nandan. N. P.
ಪಿ
ಹಾ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
E.
ಇ
U.
ಹ್ಮ್
5. ನಂಬರ್ 5.
5
ಹೌದು.
SFO 2 NPEU
5.
5. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಏನಂತ ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಏನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದಾ?
ಹಾ, ಕೊಡಿ.
ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು. ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹಾ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay. So now almost whoever there in the batch, I have added all the 3 students into the batch. So let me give introduction what all we will be covering in this Sainik Foundation course, and then I will come up with the app. What is the time now? Okay, in another half an hour. So in this foundation course, whatever we needed for the Sainik course, regular Sainik course, which starts from the April month, for that, what all the basic things we needed for the students, that is like a basics, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, even if you go for the fractions and decimals, what basic concepts are needed. And then English language. Before going into the higher level, means in Sainik, we have a high level questions where some students will not be able to understand the things. So for that, we are preparing them for that course. Basically, we'll be introducing all the basic concepts wherever. We will be teaching the 3 main subjects, which are much needed for the Sainik regular course. That is a maths, and then English language, that is grammar concepts we'll be covering. And one more, that is a new topic for all the 3 students, that is a reasoning. Reasoning in the sense, we will be having a intelligence and the mental ability. Intelligence comes for the verbal reasoning, what we call generally reasoning in the sense verbal and non-verbal. So in the intelligence, it is covered for Sainik, and mental ability, it is a non-verbal reasoning. All with the figures will be defining the things. That is a non-verbal reasoning. Both the concepts will be covering in this reasoning part. That's what we will call as a intelligence and mental ability once you go for the Sainik and Navodaya regular course. These 3 subjects will be covering in the main course. And once you enter the Sainik regular course, there you will be having a different subjects. That is, these 3 are the basics, and one more subject it will be added, that is a general knowledge that will cover in the regular course. But now what all needed is maths, English language, and reasoning. So these 3 subjects every day you'll be having a classes from 5:30 to 6:30, Monday to Friday. I think so. They have sent the schedule in the group also. So every day you have to log in at 5:25 only with your videos on, and even they will distribute you the study materials also. You can go and collect into the office only, and all your recorded lecturers that will be available in the app only. So I'll be giving introduction about the app also. I request everyone, like we have a web version and this version also, mobile version. So I'll just go with today only mobile version. In the mobile version, you will be having what all you will be able to see. Can you please let me know, anyone? If you open the app, what all will be visible?
You have to open the app, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Open the app, ma'am. ನಿಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
No, it is showing your main this thing, button but tutorials, that cassette, JE main,
ಬ್ಯಾಚ್
and
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್? ಲೈಕ್
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಮ್ Zoom ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್?
no, if you just open your app, it is showing the same thing, na. So button but tutorials is the main headline, and after that your advertisement is this thing.
if you go to the batch, you will be having the study material section,
Yeah,
assignment
Go to
section.
the batch, view pre-study materials,
Uh,
no batches to display, or view pre-study materials it is showing.
Sir, for your number, there should be a 2 batches visible, sir, because already I have added your number. This batch should be visible. Sainik Foundation Online 24-25. That
No,
batch must be visible.
No, it is not showing it.
Can you please
No
refresh
batch.
once?
No batches to display.
Uh,
Like that it's coming.
Ma'am,
For me also no batches to display, ma'am.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಾಗ್ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತೆ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ.
Okay.
ma'am.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Nandana parents. Batch 1, Sainik Foundation Online 2024-25.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು.
ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಹೌದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಅದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಶೋ ಅಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ರೀಸೆಂಟ್
ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದ್ರ
ನೋ ಇದು
ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್
ಇದೆ,
ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್
ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೇಟ್, ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಕೋಡ್.
ಅದಾದ ನಂತರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ತರ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಾರಿಜೆಂಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್
ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್, ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಓಕೆ.
ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನೇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಡೈಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ?
How to go, ma'am? I'm not getting anything. How to go and all?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಆಪ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ ತಾನೆ?
Yes, ma'am. It is installed. I have to click on that one. What, ma'am?
Yeah, click on that.
ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ಯಾ ಅವ್ರ ಮದರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಂತೆ.
I have clicked on button tutorials app, ma'am. I'm getting like this mathematics, school academics, mathematics, English, intelligence, test series, recorded courses.
Come down or save and continue. The same procedure.
Down,
same procedure you repeat it. Otherwise, go to the batches where you can see batches.
Yeah, I have gone for batches. View free study material.
Sainik Foundation Online 24-25. That batch is visible, right?
Sainik Foundation. No, ma'am, it's not visible.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದ ನಂಬರ್ is 63633613.
Ma'am, I've gone for batches. I've got no batches to display or view free study material. I've got this, ma'am.
This is your number, right? 63633613
Yes, that's my number.
Go do the same procedure once again. Like how we have added, like there will be a plus symbol, you have to do the batch request.
No, just log out and log in again. It will coming. It is coming for me now.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ತರ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ.
Okay. Log out ಮಾಡಿ log in ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Ma'am, log out means I have to.
Completely log out. Go to the settings, then you will get a sign out option. You have to log out from there. Otherwise, click on your profile. There you will get an option to sign out.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೇನಿ. ಅದು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದೇನೋ ಲಾಗೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದ್ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾನ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಎಂತದ್ದು ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು
ಹಾ.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಫುಲ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಈ ತರ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾರು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಹಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್
ಹಾ, ಹಾ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಫುಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ, ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಟನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
Yes, tell me.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನಂದು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅನ್ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಅನ್ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅನ್ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾನು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ. ಪಾಪ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚನ್ರಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ನಂದನ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಂತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 minutes ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ?
ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಈಗ ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಈಗ
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ 2024-25 ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ದು.
ಓಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಬಟನ್ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗೆ?
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು, ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ 24-25 ಅಂತ ಇದಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟು ಕೋಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ?
ಓವರ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್, ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್,
Yes,
videos.
ma'am. I'll be just telling one by one. You just go through. We have, another 10 minutes time is there. I'll just guide you how, what all will be there. Then from tomorrow onwards, the students' classes will start.
Okay.
So here overview, there will be a batch timing and all the updates of the classes will be here. So attendance means they daily they'll be updating the attendance over here. Like you can check how many days the student attended, or daily will get the attendance updates over here in this section.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
And then coming for the assignments, like if the teacher gives any assignment, here we are going to upload. There you have to check in the assignment section. Only we will drop a message in the WhatsApp group, so and so assignment has been uploaded, kindly check and solve and submit into the app only. So here you have to check, and then you have to download the assignment, solve that assignment, take the photos of the assignment, and then upload over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And then
Okay.
coming for the announcements, any important announcements like holiday announcement, apart from WhatsApp, will be posting over here also in the announcement section. This acts like a WhatsApp only.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And then coming for the test, mainly here the students tests will appear. Means whenever we enable any test over here, there he will get an option to attempt. There will be a tab like to attempt. How you got the request send, plus symbol will be there, send batch request, all those, how you will get a blue buttons. In the same way here, whenever any test is assigned, you will get a notification in the WhatsApp board also. You will get a message over there. But how to attend? Go to the batch, go to the test and check over here. Then you will get an option to attempt the test.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to click on that. The student will get the assigned time, like 1 hour test iruttana, half an hour test iruttana, ella MCQ based irutte. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮೊಬೈಲು ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೈಫೈ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್, ಈಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಬಟನ್ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಗೂ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಹೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಬಂತು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ DND ಮೋಡ್. DND ಮೋಡ್ ಇಡಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ.
Okay, ma'am.
And then
this is at the time of only test attending, na? What you are talking
yes,
about,
yes,
right?
sir. Only for the test, not for anything else.
Not for class or whatever it is, right?
Yes.
Na? Class can use that.
Classes will be in the Zoom app only, so no worries for the same.
No. Even in the test, what you're talking about, your Wi-Fi means he is using the same
Yes.
mobile data
Huh.
into the laptop or whatever it is.
Huh.
It should not be connected to other device. That's what you mean to say?
No, sir. Actually, I just want to convey whenever the student is attending the test, he should not minimize that screen. Whatever might be the thing, he should not click on the message, he should not click on the call. It should be disabled, or he should not click. That's it. If he
That
clicks,
means
that window
that
will open, but
so
this test
that
screen
means
will minimize.
so that means if he click on the things or if he come out of that screen, it will take the timing of that and it will log out. That's what you mean.
Automatically it will submit it up, and he'll not be able to attend
So,
one more time.
whatever he has attended, maybe 10 question if he has attended by that time, it will
Gone case.
that will take
Means
as his what you call test attendance timing or whatever it is score.
yeah.
Like he cannot attend the further.
In the sense, even if we connect it to the offline, once he comes out of the exam hall, we cannot give one more time the paper.
That's what you mean to say. So if
Yes.
it is goes offline also, it will cut off for the same time. Whenever he is going offline, right now.
Even network should be proper while attending the test. And this it actually like why I mean to say is this comes into the picture when the student attending for the regular classes, Sainik regular classes, when he starts in the April month. These 4 months course will be giving the basic concepts, so he'll be attending only 10 to 15 questions. Not much time is needed, or like that much not serious. But once he attends the regular classes, once he is in the online batch, he is supposed to concentrate on all these things.
Okay.
Okay. So next, coming for the videos. Videos, all the recorded lecturers will be available in the videos app only, and it should be viewed through mobile only. It should not be available in the web version.
So that means it can't be viewed in the laptop.
Yes, only mobile version, that is Android store version is available. Even we have a like if you are using a iPad or tab, even you can use in that also. iPad, we have a iStore, in that also we have. So that address also I'll give it out.
No, why can't in the mobile laptop? Why can't in the mobile laptop?
Due to the safety content, they have disabled this thing from the Class Plus team only.
Because as you are talking about videos, so videos will be more clarity on the
Yes,
laptop than the.
I have raised this issue already. The last 1 year back only I have raised this issue. Because of the security content, they have disabled this option.
That's what I have too concerned with as you are talking about security. But as a parents, we talk on the our accessibility. So there are two concerns. One is whatever PDF, whatever the notes you are teaching it over here, it can't be downloaded. That's what the experience I got it last time. And now
For
you are
the same reason,
adding one more security reason saying that it can't be open in the laptop.
Yes. For the same reason, not to face any more difficulties, we are providing the offline study material. We are giving the books for all the
So
students.
offline, ma'am, as per my knowledge, I have seen your offline material. I have seen your online material also. Okay, offline material, what you are giving one book.
Yes.
Okay, it is something like a test book. Okay, but if you are coming to the class wise, whatever the PDF notes, what you are teaching, like while teaching, what you are displaying, what is the presentation.
No, we have revised our content, sir. Whatever there in the book, the same problems only teachers are doing. So no more issues with the thing.
Let me check on that, because last time it was not happened. That's what I am.
Yes, I do agree, but we have revised our textbooks and we have revised our online content also.
Please, if that is the
Teachers are
case, then
doing with the same problems. Whatever there in the book, the same problems they are doing.
And I have raised this point 2 to 3 times. I had a
Yes,
quarrel
yes,
with
yes.
the
But we are whatever the class plus it decides, it will be the same only. We are also helpless. Whatever the security measures they give, we have to abide for the same.
No, that is fine. That is fine. But at the same time, we have to see the feasibility of the student also. No, what I mean to
Yes,
say
I
that.
do agree. Even I have raised from my end also as a parent, I have raised this issue, but
Yeah.
they're working for the same.
So if you are to conclude the things, if you are providing the same material, what you are going to teach in the classes, that pin to pin information
Yes,
or a
the
question
same
answer
problems only they are
should be
doing,
there
sir.
in the
The
book. That's
same
what my
problems. You please don't compare what Dimpana has experienced
no,
now.
no.
The same.
I'm,
Taman
I'm,
also will
I'm telling
experience.
my old experience only. I don't know what new technology you have
No, no,
implemented.
no. We are doing with the same. What are the problems are there in the textbook? The same problems they are solving.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Adya parent, is there any doubts?
No, ma'am, I don't have any doubts.
Okay, so this is all about the videos and study material. The already we have planned for the foundation also will be giving the books. You can collect in the office only.
When can we collect this one?
I will let you know in just 2 to 3 days. They'll arrange for the books.
Okay.
You can come and collect it out. We'll let you know in the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
For foundation also we have arranged the books. We'll drop a message in the WhatsApp. You can make it out.
Tomorrow class at 5:30, no, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. If any changes, they will post the message in the WhatsApp only. Hmm.
So Zoom link will be sent for the
The
classes.
same Zoom link. For
Okay, okay.
every day,
What
the
about
same Zoom link.
what about these live classes? This means the live classes will be recorded classes, you mean to say.
Yes,
Right
yes.
now?
No, no, no. Videos, live classes, it is just like a one-to-one session it will be there. So that we are not going to touch it out, live classes.
As of now, right now?
Yes, as of now.
Okay, fine.
And I have sent in the chat section one. I have sent the web version link also. You can just click and check it out. The same mobile number you can log in. Click on the link, a mobile number you can log in, and how it looks in the web version, you can just check it out.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have logged in, ma'am. It is asking for ORG code.
BH80, capital B, capital H. Wait, I'll
One second, ma'am. One second, please repeat it, ma'am.
I'll share in the chat section.
What? Proceed securely.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
9274.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
ಇದು ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹೌದು.
ಅದ್ರ
Zoom app ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅದೇ BH80 ಬಟ್ ಅಂತ.
ಹಾ, ಹೌದು. ಅದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕೋಡ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ
ಆಮೇಲೆ HTTPS ವೆಬ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆಪ್ ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
Ma'am, mine it has come as successfully, ma'am. I'm getting this 6th Navodaya,
ಹಾ,
6th training school.
batches. You go to the batches, ma'am. Same batches.
Yeah, batches.
Then you will get a Sainik Foundation batch.
ಇದೆ? Yeah.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನಿಕ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
It is not displayed properly.
Any foundation 8 class.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗಜಿಬಿಜಿ?
ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೂ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು.
ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹಿಂಗ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
This is this much only, ma'am. This is all about the app introduction. ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಇಸ್ BH80 ನಾ? That's it ನಾ?
ಹಾ, BH80, the same code.
ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರ್ಸಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಚ್
ಹಾ, ಬ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಆಪ್. ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸೆಷನ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಲೈಕ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಓವರ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ಆಪ್.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
ಸೇಮ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್, ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್.
ಹಾ, ಸೇಮ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನೋ ಚೇಂಜಸ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ
ಹಾ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹಾ,
ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್
ನಾನು
ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಂತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಂತೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಫೈನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.